Welcome to our French class. Our today's topic is les pronoms toniques. So, les pronoms toniques means it is also called disjunctive pronoun. What is meant by disjunctive pronoun? Disjunctive pronoun means it gives option he or she. It is called disjunctive pronoun. So, where we can use this pronoun tonic? So, it may be used or in the place of subject or object. And we have to must be I must agree with the subject or object in the number of gender. So we this is very important. We can use only refer to people. We can use this pronotonic to refer only people. Also, it is also known as a stressed pronoun or emphatic pronoun. Now, important points to remember that we can use this pronotonic after preposition. So which prepositions? They are pour. Pour means for. Avec. Avec means with. Sans means without. Chez means at someone's place, etc. Let us see some example. Je viens avec toi. I come with you. Or I'm coming with you. Now, le pronotonic is used after say. For example, qui est là? Who is there? Means c'est moi. It's me. So in short, we can say we can use pronotonic to give short answers. Now let us see pronotonic. How we use this pronotonic. Now first of all we see pronoun sujet. In our last video we covered this topic pronoun sujet. If you want, I'll give you a link of this pronoun sujet in description section. So je, we use je for I, you tu for you, il for he, elle for she, nous for we, vous for you, il for they. This is masculine plural. Elle for they, feminine plural. Now for je we use moi, means me. For tu we use toi, means you. For il we use lui, means he or him. For elle we use elle, means she or her. Now for nous we use nous, means we or us. For vous we use vous, that is you. For il we use zo, means them. For elle, this is feminine plural, we use zel, this is them. So again we'll repeat: je, moi, tu, toi, il, lui, elle, elle, nous, vous, il, eux, elle, elle. Now, when we combine toi et moi, toi plus moi means you and me, it becomes nous. You and me becomes nous. Lui et moi means he and me become nous, means we. Or elle et moi means she and me becomes we. Lui et moi, lui et toi means he and you become vous. Elle et toi become vous. Fine? Okay. Now let us see some examples. Remplissez l'espace vide means fill in the blanks. First of all, we see first example. Il vient avec ses parents means he is coming with his parents. So here here we have to replace this noun ses parents means his parents with pronom tonic. So oui, il vient avec ses parents. It is masculine plural. So for masculine plural, which pronoun tonic we use? Yes, that is zo. So answer is zo. Oui, il vient avec zo means yes, he is coming with them. Now, tu sors avec ce garçon. Are you going with this boy? Oui, je sors avec. Yes, I go with him. So avec lui. Next example. C'est pour toi. Désolé, c'est pour moi. It's for me. Oui, c'est pour toi. Yes, it's for you. Now, tu as rendez-vous avec Rina. Do you have an appointment with Rina? Oui, j'ai rendez-vous avec. Rina is feminine. Avec elle. Yes, I have an appointment with her. Now, il est arrivé avant mon frère et moi. He just reached before my brother and me. So, il est arrivé avant nous. My brother and me become nous. So, he arrived before us. Fine? Okay. Let us move ahead. Next. Remplacer les noms avec le pronom tonique. So, replace noun with pronom tonique. First example. Tu vas chez ton ami. Tu vas chez ton ami. You go at your friend's house. So here ton ami is noun. So we have to replace this noun with pronom tonique. So ton ami. So ton ami means il. Ton ami means il. So our answer is tu vas chez lui. For il we use lui. Next, je joue avec Sam et Alice. So, il joue avec Sam et Alice. He plays with Sam and Alice. So, here Sam and Alice become il, masculine plural. So, it is so. So, il joue avec so. So, he's playing with them. Now, c'est pour ma soeur. C'est pour ma soeur. It's for my sister. Sir is elle. So we use elle. C'est pour elle means it's for my sister or it's for her. Elle is her. Now, c'est il est plus grand que ton cousin. She is taller than your cousin. So ton cousin is lui. So elle est plus grand. Il est plus grand que lui. She is taller than him. Now, so, in 1 year, she will be far from her sister. So, so, we have to replace her sister with, yes, elle. So, Donana, il sera loin d'elle. So, in 1 year, she will be far from her. So, sir, replace with her. Now, elle pense souvent à son fiancé. She always thinks about her fiancé. We have to replace her fiancé with lui. So, elle pense souvent à lui. Elle pense souvent à lui. Elle tient beaucoup à son chien. She takes a lot of a dog. So we have to replace this chien. So elle tient beaucoup à lui. Now, nous allons avec nos amis. So we are going with our friends. So we have to replace nos amis avec zo. So nous allons avec zo. We are going with them. C'est tout. It's all. If you have any doubt, you can just write in comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. If you want to suggest any topic, you can comment. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.